Hi again everyone. So you're there because you fall down all the time. So you're not participating in my vlog. My God. So it takes time for me to install the camera because I need to do the angles, and then of course I need to set up the cameras in different angles. So that's why if you want to support my channel, don't be shy to just click the PayPal account there, the join button for membership for longer videos. And well, it's all up to you guys, I'm just saying. So okay, I have to drive again. So it's my 3 stops now. I have to go to Salon. So the video is not sponsored, but my salon is from the sponsor. So foot brake, drive, blinker left. Just checking if you're still there. But I think the angle of the camera was perfect. And then when we are in the city, we have to throw the garbage. I always throw my garbage in the city because they have some schedule every twice a week to pick up the garbage. And then in my area, it takes about a month, and there's a lot of garbage in the street sometimes. They're not really taking care of it, or maybe they do, but I saw some garbage sometimes in the area. But here I feel comfortable that my garbage is also in a good place, and it's not like everywhere in the street. So the descending area or part in this mountain is about 30 minutes, and going up also it's about 30 minutes uphill driving. So I have to drive really that amount of time. So it's a short distance, but uphill driving is very fun. It's fun when you have a motorbike. Tomorrow is a biker's day, so I'm not gonna go out. I will do my Monday, then I will go highway driving again because the road is quiet. So if you want to watch a longer video, so I have these subscribers, he cannot find the subscribe button. You need my glasses for that. I don't know why he didn't find it. It's just there. When you click the channel, you can see the join very big JOIN next to subscribe button. How come you can't see it? And if you cannot find the join button, it's easy. You can Google it. Go to Google, and then you just have to ask the Google where to find the join button on my channel. All the channels, in any channel. And you can see it. Don't understand. But yeah, if you have any questions, if I can answer it, then don't be hesitate to message me at my Facebook page or send an email to my Gmail account. And yeah, I will reply if I read your messages. If I like your messages, I will reply. If I don't like it, just kidding, I won't reply. But okay, talk too much, so let's gonna speed the pedals down. Press the pedal down. So don't try this because the car is overtaking the motorbike while in the curve. So driver here in the Philippines is unpredictable. So if you are planning to make trip here in the Philippines, you have to observe first the road before you rent a car or a motorbike. You can ride some van or taxi, but do not get surprised if they are just so fast in the corner. They will overtake in the corner, guys, when they are driving. For blind spot, they don't care, they just do it. They do it by feelings. If they feel like, oh, it's safe to overtake, then but they speed up, but so far they're safe. So, like especially driving in the big city like that. So I really need to go to Salon because last time my time is running out. Too much to do. And I have also a dog food that I need to exchange because my dog doesn't like the food. So I've been buying the dog food for about 4 to 5 years now. It's 195 per kilo, and now he said it's 200 per kilo. 200 per kilo, then yeah, it's quite expensive now. But the good thing, you don't really, well, quality matters also because it takes time for stuff. But for dog food, less time because they eat good. When my dog is doesn't feel any sick with that kind of dog food, it calls vitality. So if you have a dog, if you had a dog with that food, now if you have dog, Shih Tzu, I have Shih Tzu and mixed dog because the puppy, the dog that I have, the female was released by the roof, so other dogs came and gave baby to my Shih Tzu, and then I have the mixed dog, the very nice dog, sweet. But yeah, that's what I'm going also to the city. I need to change the dog food because they don't have stocks when I go there 3 times. So I was like, okay, I buy more. So I have like half sacks of this dog food, but they didn't really eat good for that. So I'm glad that, of course, for more years that keep buying there, and he agreed to exchange the dog food. So I'm bringing it now. This is in the back seat. Wait, so I scared. So I'm gonna show you later also. So if you're looking for a food for your dog, well, this is just my observation. The Vitality dog food is very good, especially here in the Philippines. Maybe it depends also the weather, but I don't use the adult dog food. I use the puppy Vitality puppy dog food. Even my dog are not puppy, but I'm so glad that they never been experienced to be sick or vomiting, that kind of feeling, or weak. We're just like happy family. My babies. And driving slow today, but we're following the Suzuki. So that's the car that I was planning to buy before. Suzuki Chimney. Jimmy. Wait some. It's Suzuki. Yeah, because it was quite high and feels cool to drive, like hot, not warm. No, because it was like kind of an export car, transport car, something like that. I just like the height for the car because with car before I always like I have to vomit all the time riding a car because I'm not used in traveling, so that feeling like car sickness. So I want kind of elevated that kind of car. But then I've heard, I think that's point 8 cylinder. Charot. I don't know what I'm talking. But anyway, for the Toyota, I really love it because, yeah, it's a very strong car. So we're almost in the city, everyone. So since we're almost in the city and we're gonna stop to the garbage areas, I was planning to pull out my shoes to do the barefoot, but I will do it after the gas, and I can restart the camera for a short video for my followers who wants to see me without the shoes. So I will do that later. Yeah, because I was thinking I always like to make film when the driving is intense. Going down is kind of sleepy, boring like that because you have to drive slow because it's descending, and that uphill is more like really can really speed up and floor the pedals. But then I was like, okay, why not? Because then I can wear different kind of shoes so that I keep on updating every day. There's a car. There's a police. Don't be scared. Something is going on. Police patrol. Police is all you don't have to worry here when there's a police in the street, because usually they don't really stop with a car, only sometimes, because they know that cars, I don't know, mostly they do it with the motorbikes for stopping, because there's a lot of motorbikes here that are not registered. I was planning to do barefoot, but I didn't do it. So I'm gonna do it because I'm almost near to the city. So I will just go drive directly to the city for now. I won't stop there because there's a police. Not that I'm scared, it's just like I don't want to make turn. It's good. I was uni and sometimes I forget I have camera here. Okay, let's overtake and drive slow. So before we go far, we have to make pictures first for the loafers.
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.